Hello guys and welcome to the best tutorial online. My name is Morris and today I'll be showing you how to fix the error code on your Bosch dishwasher. The error code of interest for today's video is the E25 error code. So what does the E25 error code mean? It simply means there's a blockage in the drain pump or the pump cover is loose or missing. And this stops the dishwasher from being able to drain properly, leaving water at the bottom. Now, what are the common causes of this issue? We have debris like food scraps, labels, or broken glass clogging the pump impeller and also build up in the filters. So you may get some build up in your filters as well as a kinked or blocked drain hose. So you could have a kinked or a clogged drain hose, and this will cause this issue. These are the things that will cause the E25 error on your Bosch washing machine. This is what would cause it, and very rare, a loose pump cover or a faulty pump. All right, so what are the main fixes you could try? The first is cleaning the filter and pump. So most cases are fixed by basically cleaning. So just remove the bottom rack, twist and lift out the filter system, and then rinse the filter system thoroughly. Then remove the pump cover. You could check your manual and simply clear any debris from the impeller. Make sure to wear some gloves and then reinstall securely. That's how it's done. Now, an additional check could be to also check the drain holes at the back or under the sink for kinks or clogs. So simply check any of these holes at the back for any kinks or any clogs and then straighten and clear if needed and then run the garbage disposal if connected as it shares the same drain. And now finally, you could reset and test. So unplug your dishwasher for 5 minutes to reset and then run a short or drain cycle to test it out. And then once you're done, if you're still getting this issue, if the E25 returns, the pump may actually be damaged. So go ahead to contact Bosch support or a technician. And that's it, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.